Nigga doing that shit. Niggas ain't know what the fuck. Nah, bro. Niggas don't know what the fuck I'm doing until I get up. And I be smoking that dope, smoking the other D-funk. And I be fucking they hoes, nigga be fucking it up. And I be doing it, nigga, you know. Nigga, I do what I'm supposed to. Don't turn me back to the old me. Who the old you? I don't know you, you don't know me, I don't know who. Did what or shut the fuck? I'm fucking your hoe in the butt, cause I'm a nasty nigga. I don't give a fuck any bitch, I don't wanna fuck with it. Niggas ain't know I'm with it. Till the day I get richer. You already know that's word. To my nigga Richard. Niggas ain't know so cold. Whoa, like a fucking blizzard. Niggas already know what it be. Every day I be sipping on scissor. Niggas, you know, nigga be fucking your hoe. That was your hoe. 10 times on the road today, damn. Niggas, you know what the fuck I'm the man. Nigga be doing this, tipping his hands. Don't give a fuck cause these niggas know talking that shit, but they know that wasn't the plan. Nigga be fucking they hoes, nigga not giving a fuck anymore. Nigga been doing it ever since I've been in this shit. Nigga like 10 years ago. 10 years ago, I don't even know, but it's something close. I don't give a fuck, nigga, but fuck your hoes, cause niggas don't know what the fuck I'm supposed to do. I don't even know what the fuck, but I just gotta pick the shit up. I don't give a fuck, get a fucking hoe in the butt. Niggas know what the fuck, cause I'm sick as fuck. I'm a sick motherfucker. I'm a sick ass nigga. I don't give a fuck what the fuck you want, motherfucker. You gon' fuck with it. Motherfucker, you gon' fuck with me. Put this lean in your kidney. I may put this motherfucking shank. I don't give a fuck what you niggas gon'